Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use leverage on Coinbase. Leverage trading lets you control a larger position in the market with a smaller amount of your own capital. Coinbase Advanced now provides access to regulated crypto futures for eligible U.S. traders, allowing you to amplify your potential returns. However, it's crucial to remember that while leverage can magnify profits, it also significantly increases the risk of losses. Always proceed with caution and a clear strategy. Understanding the magnified impact of leverage is key. For example, with 10 times leverage, a mere 1% price swing in the market can result in a 10% change to your invested capital. This means both your potential gains and losses are amplified. To protect your funds, it is essential to implement risk management strategies, such as setting clear stop-loss orders to limit potential downside before entering any trade. To place a leveraged trade, first navigate to Coinbase Advanced and select the Futures Trading section. Here, you can choose from various crypto futures pairs, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, you'll select your desired leverage amount, which can be up to 10 times your initial capital for U.S. perpetual futures. Finally, define your position size and carefully set your entry and exit points, including stop-loss and take-profit orders, before executing your trade. Once your leverage trade is active, continuous monitoring is crucial. Market conditions can change rapidly, so regularly check your open positions. Be prepared to adjust your stop-loss and take-profit orders to adapt to new information or unexpected volatility. Effective management helps protect your capital and secure profits. Also, for a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.